Hi class, this is Professor Smith. I'm going to be doing a problem on rational zeros theorem, problem type 2. Use the rational zeros theorem to list all possible rational zeros of the following. The function f of x equal to negative 14x cubed plus x squared plus 6x minus 4. Be sure that no value in your list appears more than once. So these zeros that we're going to list might be zeros, but they might not. And they just want us to list all possibilities. So we're going to let p equal negative 4, that's the constant term, and q equal to negative 14, which is the leading coefficient for negative 14x cubed, is the largest degree term in our function that's a polynomial. So we know that our zeros are going to be of the form that are going to be factors of 4 over 14. I'm ignoring the sign for now. We'll come back to the plus or minus symbol in a minute. So we're going to list all possible factors of 4. So 1 times 4 is 4, and 2 times 2 is 4, but I'm only going to list the 2 ones. 14 has factors of 1 and 14, and 2 and 7. So that rational zeros theorem says that our possible zeros are going to be of the form where we take all the possible combination of the factors in the numerator over the factors in the denominator. All right, perfect. So I'm going to take 1 over 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 7, and 1 over 14. So x can equal 1 over 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 7, and 1 over 14. We can simplify 1 over 1 to just equal 1. And again, I'll add in the plus or minus at the end. Let's do the same thing now with taking the second factor, 2. So then I'll have 2 over 1, 2 over 2, but 2 over 2 is just the same as 1, so we won't need to write that. 2 over 7, and then 2 over 14. But 2 over 14 can be simplified to be 1/7, so we don't need to include that. All right, now let's do our last one. So we're going to take the 4 now. That's supposed to be orange. So the 4 will give us 4 over 1, 4 over 2, but 4 over 2 is the same as 2. And do we have that listed already? Yeah, we do. We have it here, 2 over 1, which is 2. All right, so we don't need that 4 over 2. And then 4 over 7, and then 4 over 14. But 4 over 14 can be reduced because they're both even, and we can rewrite it as 2/7, and we already have 2/7, so let's go ahead and eliminate that one. So when we list all the possibilities, we have the first set, which is 1, 1/2, 1/7, 1/14. Then we had 2, 2 over 7, and then of the orange, we had 4 over 1, which can be 4, 4 over 7, and then that's it. So our possible zeros are going to be plus or minus all of those values. So x equal plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1/2, plus or minus 1/7, plus or minus 1/14, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 2/7, plus or minus 4, and plus or minus 4/7. So I hope this short movie on rational zeros theorem problem type 2 was helpful for you.